I'm starting to get hungry, so I am going to make a tinfoil dinner. Little salt, pepper, little pork jowl bacon on there, green onion, and a whole bunch of cilantro. If you're doing this at home, use Italian sausage or kielbasa instead of bratwurst, and it's even better. But hey, use what you got. Alrighty. Oh, I think the rain eased up. I'm gonna make a fire. I better do it now. There you go. Even with the dry kindling, that fire isn't taking aggressively. There's so much humidity in the air. I put these wet pieces of wood up here so they can dry, but they'll also act as a roof if it starts to rain, which will protect the fire.